children, this is our Grade 2 Science lesson of Term 3, Week 6. By the end of this lesson, we will be able to explain a natural sequence of plant life cycle. From a seed to a plant. The first step in the life cycle of a plant is the seed needs to be planted in the soil. The seed can be planted in a pot or in the ground outside. A plant needs soil, water, sunlight, and air. Once the seed is planted in the soil and watered, it will take about 1 to 2 weeks before it starts to grow. This is called the germination stage. Once the seed germinates, it will start to sprout and roots appear. The roots help the plants to get food and water from the soil. In the next few weeks, the seed will begin to push through the soil. It is now a seedling. It is still very tiny during this stage, and the roots will anchor it in the soil and keep it from blowing away. As the seedling continues to grow, it will begin to get leaves, and the stem will grow longer and longer. The stem helps the plant stand upright. The stem also delivers water from the roots through tiny tubes, which is called xylem. The leaves soak up the light and air to make food for the plant. This process is called photosynthesis. A bird will begin to appear on the plant. a bird will turn into a flower. Depending on the type of seed planted in the soil, the flower may turn into either a fruit or vegetable, or stay a flower. Seeds are located in the center of the flower. Once the plant stops growing, it will drop seeds onto the ground. Some seeds are spread by the wind, rain, water, or by animals. These seeds will begin to grow in the soil and the life cycle of the plant will repeat.
Let's study the life cycle stages of a flowering plant. The life cycle of a flowering plant begins with a seed. A seed is a baby plant. It contains nutrition necessary to start the life of a plant. Seeds can survive over the winter and even for many years. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes and can be covered in shells, fruits, or cones. The next stage is germination. Germination is when a plant starts emerging from a seed. When seeds get proper light, water, warmth, and minerals, they start germinating. A seed will not germinate without all these. After germination, plants start growing. Plants need sunlight, nutrients, water, and air for their survival and growth. When a plant becomes mature, it gives rise to flowers, and flowers produce seeds. Finally, seeds get dispersed away to new places and the plant life cycle begins again. Seeds can get dispersed by wind, water, animal, and explosion. Now let's study about the plant parts and their functions. Roots. Root is the part of the plant that grows out of the seed first. As the baby plant grows, the outer hard shell of the seed becomes soft and roots emerge from the seed. It takes up water and minerals from the ground to be used by the plant. Stem. The stem too grows out of the seed. The stem is the backbone of a plant. It provides support to the plant. Leaf. As the stem grows, many leaves emerge on the plant. A leaf is the kitchen of the plant. It makes food for the entire plant. Bud. A bud is a baby flower covered by special leaves. These buds open up and become flowers. Flower. A flower is the most beautiful part of a plant that helps it to get seeds. As the flowers grow, they're pollinated and become fruits. In these fruits, we can find the seeds of this plant. Let's learn how to grow a plant. We take seeds of the plant we would like to grow and put them in a pit in the ground. The seeds must be covered with soil. They have to be watered regularly to help them grow into new plants. Soon the roots and stem will emerge from the seed, and we can see the young plant coming out of the ground. The plant must be given proper sunlight as they need it to prepare their food.
Yay! It's time for the game! In this game, I will pretend to be the parts of a plant. I will give you a clue. You will guess my name. But for this game, you have to listen carefully, think, and then speak. So, are you ready, children? Shout out loud.
Yes, we are ready. Let's start.
Now, children, pay attention to the clues. First one, I live deep in the ground. I suck up water and nutrients from the soil to keep my plant well hydrated. What am I?
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
Yes, I know you. You are Root.
I am a food factory of a plant. I catch energy from sunlight and use water to prepare food for my plant. What am I?
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
The answer is leaf.
I give support to my plant and carries water, nutrient and chemical up and down to all parts of the plant. What am I?
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
Oh, yes, you're the stem.
I give beautiful colors to the world. Bees attract towards me.
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
You are a beautiful flower which gives color to the world.
Now, this one could be difficult, children. So, listen carefully and think hard. Now, pay attention to the clue. I'm the little one. My parent plant packs me with nutritions, just like a lunch. I'm having much more energy than other parts of the plant. What am I?
I wish you the best of luck. May I have 20 seconds on the clock, please? Your time starts now.
Oh, yes, I know this one. You're the seed.
In this worksheet, you will observe and match the correct natural sequence of a plant life cycle. Hope you understood the lesson. Bye, children.